So, we're here today in Fuji to show you guys how to make a proper authentic Italian carbonara. We have here, we have nice frozen bacon, eggs, fresh eggs for today, a little bit of schwartz, salt and pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg just for the finishing touch. Fettuccine romano. È buono qui, è buono qui. Authentic shaved parmesan for the perfect pasta. So, let's start. First thing you want to do is warm up the pan for the bacon.
Perfect.
Yeah, that should be enough. Then you want to do like little cubes.
Tuo fa l'American, tuo fa l'American, tuo fa l'American, tuo fa l'American.
Proper way to do it would be to crack it on a flat surface.
Yeah.
And then with two hands, open it like this. Yeah.
We never crack it on the board. So how many?
You want to have one each person plus an extra. Then you want to put a little bit salt, a little bit pepper in the eggs. What you want to do is like this, up from down, up. Okay, so if you do it just like this, it's not going to do much. So yeah, try.
This side.
Not burn, but nice crisp to get the flavors out. So we can flavor our pasta on it and use it. Maybe we can cut the spring onions.
Okay.
Tuo fa l'American, tuo fa l'American. Whiskey.
Now we're waiting our bacon and the water for the pasta to boil. Always remember to put salt in the water.
Okay.
Try not to burn your bacon. You just want to crispy and take the flavor out of it.
Porte casune con un stemma a rete, una cuppolella che vi si era alzata.
Nice.
So I have this chef spoon, so I can taste something like the
Pretty much.
onion.
Okay.
Ready?
We open a bottle of wine and we finish it. So put water on it until it goes down. See?
So you've been trying to like push it down.
No, you don't push it down. It's pretty much ready. It's like
Yeah, almost
getting
crispy.
brownish but not burnt. Yeah, so this is ready. Some people use oil in the water. I don't like to put oil in the water. It doesn't actually help. But if you mix it properly, it won't stick. This is Moscato from Eastern Australia. It's really good Moscato from Aldi. Our pasta is almost ready. That we can use when we finish our pasta. That's it. Just be careful, it's going to be really hot. So we're not gonna burn our eggs. You want your eggs cooked, but if if you have any idea what I'm talking about, when you make Hollandaise sauce, you cook eggs in a really low temperature. Use a little bit butter now for the pasta.
Che napolitan, tuo fa l'American, tuo fa l'American. Wish che so del rock and roll, wish che so del rock and roll, wish che so del rock and roll. Tuo fa l'American, tuo fa
A
l'American.
little bit extra pepper. We use the water that we took from the pot before to make sure the pasta doesn't dry. So this is our raw eggs, and we want to just put that in. See? Now very slowly we want to add our parmesan. If Chef Thomas wants to open the parmesan for us, yeah, just put quite a bit. And a little bit of nutmeg. And now we want to put a little bit of our fresh spring onions. Our fire is still on very low, so our eggs, instead of cooking, it just makes a sauce. See, you can. There's a little bit cheese melted with the together with our butter and our eggs.
Chi te li dà la borsetta di mamma, tuo fa l'americano, americano, americano.
And our carbonara is ready. Special thanks to our Lenka, forgive my mistake, for recording this video for us, and special thanks to Luz for doing nothing about it. Yeah.